I'm here to teach
you how to change your oil.
Learning how to change your oil can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over the lifespan of a vehicle. Before we get started, there are a few items you're going to need. Get a toolkit, the correct oil filter, as well as the oil, an oil catch pan, a jack to the make and some jack stands. Looks like we have everything. Let's get started. Step 1. Lift the vehicle off the ground using your jack. And secure the height with your jack stand. Step 2. Crawl under your vehicle to locate your oil plug and locate your oil filter. Step 3. Place your oil catch in the trajectory of your oil's flow release and place your tools on standby. Step 4. Visually gauge which socket you will need to open your oil plug until you found the right one. Step 5. Open the hood of your car. Security it open with your
Hood hook.
Quickly locate your oil. Step 6. You found the right socket. Okay. Slowly open your oil plug until it begins to drip. Use your hand to slowly extract the oil plug so oil can begin flowing out of your tube.
Nice.
Make sure your oil pan is ready to catch. Step 7. Take off your oil from the top of the engine. Now wait until oil has finished draining.
Now that the oil's through and we got it all out.
Now we have to get the oil filter. Step 8. Take off your oil filter and place it face down on your oil pan. There it is. We'll put it in the corner. Face down, up, with the open of the cup down. Now it's time to put in our new oil filter and the plug. Step 9. Put on your new oil filter and screw in your oil plug. You want to take a little bit of oil on your finger, rub it on the rubber, on the gasket. Okay, you want to kind of give it a nice smooth rub. And now we're going to put it in. Step 10. Put in new oil. Now it's time to put the oil in. At the correct amount your engine optimally holds. Love the smell. Love the smell of new oil. You don't want to go too fast. Just want to fill it up. Go too fast and it comes and spills on the top. Take a few measurements with the dipstick to ensure balanced oil levels. Oh baby, right on the mark. Your dipstick? Now that we're all done with the oil change, now we can just shut it. All that's left is a test drive. You dipstick?